Welcome to this beautifully maintained ground floor unit, a perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and modern living. Featuring a spacious open-plan lounge and dining area, a stylish kitchen with ample storage, and a generously sized bedroom with both bath and shower options, this home offers effortless everyday living. With added extras like an air conditioner, gas stove, gas geyser, and a lock-up garage, this is a rare opportunity in a peaceful, well-kept complex. Enjoy the viewing.